congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Natividad. Once again, thank you so much for trusting Jennifer Wedding and Events to be part of your wedding. Mrs. Natividad, what is your message during our preparation?
Grabe. Hindi ako makapaniwala na yung ibang brides sasabihin nila, pinaka-stressful is yung preparation. Parang -0 yung akin. Grabe. Ano to? Hands up.
Yes.
Sobrang smooth lahat. Wala akong naging sakit ng ulo. Wala akong kailangan tanungin. Lahat sila. Bago ko patanungin, sorry, may sagot na agad. Ano ba yan? Grabe. Sobrang
Yes.
okay.
How about the wedding day?
Wedding day, grabe, it's beyond my imagination. Ano ba? Hindi ko, I'm so speechless right now. Ang alam ko lang, sobrang saya ng puso namin dalawa. Lalo na ako, grabe, sobrang ganda. Sobrang okay.
Did we exceed your expectations?
Oo, grabe.
Yes.
Grabe.
Yes. The setup?
Oo,
Yes.
perfect.
Yes. If you rate us 1 to 10, 10 is the highest.
100?
Wow! 100 above 10.
Oo.
Do you recommend us?
Yes, grabe.
Yes.
Kung ikakasal ako next life, siguro ito pa rin.
Wow! Thank you,
Thank
so,
you
much.
so much.
How about Mr. Natividad?
Ayun, ganun din. Kung kakasal ako.
Oo.
O kaya, hindi. I mean, sa mga friends ko na ikakasal next.
Oo.
Siyempre, ito na yung
Yes.
recommend ko sa kanila. Lalo na may buong
For sure.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank you.
How do you rate us?
Siyempre,
Wow.
perfect score.
Yes. Do you recommend us?
Oo naman.
Yes.
Grabe, perfect. Check.
Thank you so much once again, Mr. and Mrs. Natividad. Can you give us a last one kiss? Thank you. Bye po.